a high-low retailer. We have a weekly sales flyer. And when you have a high, you need to make sure that your holding capacity on shelf works. And these ends allow you to do that. I'm David Hicks. I'm the owner-dealer of Canadian Tire store number 192, located at Shepherd and Leslie. We did a corporate remodel of the store in 2022, and we needed more shelf space, more what we call linear space to serve the customer. And the idea of the power ends came out of a need to open up the center aisle of the store, make it easier to shop and gain that linear back. When you take a look at the ends, I think what's impactful about them is the sides of them, the wing panels. That really helps navigate the customers down the aisles. We're also able to get out more impulse items, more higher margin items, but it also acts as a beacon and navigation for the customer. From the staff perspective, they use it more to make sure that we're in stock on the everyday items that a customer's looking for. Those impulse items that add to the basket, add to the sale. It just helps them serve customers better. The power ends were built by Canada's Best Store Fixtures. I have to admit it was a very easy process. They immediately mocked up a couple of design options. They went right into production. We were able to go to their factory, take a look at the product, beat it up a little bit, slam some skids into the ends a few times to make sure that they were durable enough and heavy enough to withstand just the day in and day out of a retail environment. They also listened to feedback. So both my general manager and I visited their factory a number of times and came out with a product that we're extremely happy with. I think one of the big learnings for us was that customers weren't happy with how cluttered the store was, how tight it was, how walking with a shopping cart you're bumping into displays and stuff. And so we have one metric which speaks to wide open shopping experience. We raised those numbers from about 72% up to 92%. And that's an excellent result. We're extremely happy with it, exactly what we wanted to achieve with this project. They've now evolved into a rollout across all Canadian Tire stores that are undergoing remodels. Canada's Best Store Fixtures is one of those companies that understands retail. They've been in the business for a long time, and what's great working with them is they bring up things that probably the retailer should have brought up. Things like the floor cleaners and the floor scrubbing machines and how they bang up against the ends. And the owner of the company has a phrase that's, we can do that. It's a phrase that's nice to hear when you're dealing with manufacturing companies, that they want to try something new, they want to work with you, and I'm looking forward to working with them to see how we can make this even better in the future.